All right, so we made it here to the second client. Now we have one vehicle out here right now that we're working on, and then we have a BMW i8. So this is just a maintenance detail, just a quick vacuum, quick wipe down, and I'm already starting with the exterior, so you guys can see. This needs a quick vacuum. Sorry about my nail, I pinched it, and then a quick wipe. So doing the outside wheels now. I'm gonna wash it, and then we'll start with the inside. Spray my super clean. All right, so the Cadillac is all complete. It's 2:05 right now. We have two more vehicles to do. So this is a look at the interior. Everything was just wiped down and shined up a little bit. Excuse me. So there's nothing major going on in here. No stain removal, no nothing like that. Just a wipe down to remove that light layer of debris and dust. Here's a look at this side. Smells good with our air freshener. Wax the exterior with Shock It. So now we're on to the last, well, we're staying here, so we have one more vehicle. I believe it's in the garage. So we're gonna bring that out, probably move this one out the way, and then I'll show you guys what vehicle. All right, you guys, so we already kind of started this Toyota Camry here. This is the second car at the same house here. Right now it's actually 2:20, and we finished up doing the wheels on this side. So right now I'm doing the wheels on this side, and just to quickly show y'all the inside and how it's looking. It's not too bad in here. Vacuum should be a quick vacuum. Still have a little bit of work on the detail. This car has not been detailed before, but it's pretty well kept, so it's not much to do it. None to it but to do it. So we got to shampoo this seat here a little bit. So I'm gonna just spray my APC, drill it, and just wipe that off. That seat right there. And then she said, the client also mentioned there was a stain somewhere here. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the same. Spray our APC, drill that down, and try to get those stains off for her. So overall, it should be quick. Even the trunk here is not even dirty much. So catch you guys here in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and foam it down, clean the wheels, wash it, do the door jams, and then we'll do the inside. Just like that, this Toyota Camry is complete and detailed. So it's currently 3:23, and we're just about done. Excuse me, with the second car. So we did touch up the seats here with some shampoo. Both sides are still a little damped. Everything was wiped, shined, thorough vacuum, of course, in between all the cracks and crevices. Detailed the cup holders in there as well. Air vent all cleaned. Door panels are like wiped down and shined. Wheels and tires, just the basic bronze package, you guys. No engine bay, no headlights, no shampooing. Well, we did shampoo, but it was just a touch up. So we're ready for the last vehicle now, and hopefully we finish in time before the sun sets. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, so it's 3:28, and we have the last vehicle here, the BMW i8. Just gonna show you guys real quick the condition. Just needs a quick wipe down, quick vacuum, just the maintenance detail for this car here. Trying to upkeep it and keep it looking brand new for our client. So you see all these bugs and stuff. Gonna remove all these bugs. And we are washing first because I like to wash because I feel like it takes me a little bit more time. So I can just knock out the interior in like 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and start with the wheels. You guys can see they need some good cleaning. So we'll go ahead and wash it. All right, you guys. So this is going to be the end of the video here. Really appreciate y'all for watching the video if you've been watching this far. So we have the last car here, BMW i8, detailed, wiped down, vacuumed, and washed and waxed. So you guys can see this thing is looking nice and shiny. It's a beautiful car. I love the doors going up. Super sick, super nice. The driver's side, new air freshener. It's actually 402. And yeah, I'm gonna get some content and then call the client out, accept payment, and then we'll be on our way. So, and just like that, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. We're all finished up with the BMW i8 right behind us. Now it's time to get going. Sunset is among us. It's 4:03 right now, and the sunset's around like 4:30. So we gotta get up out of here, accept payment, take some good pictures of the car, and then upload it to our Instagram page, and then we'll be done for the day. So stay tuned. More videos to come. Hustle never settle. Mendez out. Let's go.